Magandang araw sa ating lahat. This is Engineer Jom Digia and welcome back to my channel. So sa video tutorial na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng isang random past board exam problem under the subject statics of rigid bodies, specifically distributed load computation. So the problem is, for a cantilever beam with the distributed load shown, what is the moment at the built end? Makita nyo, meron dyang distributed load na 10 kN meter na merong length yung beam natin na 3 meters. Pag sinabing cantilever beam guys, yun yung nakamount sa kabilang dulo lang, which is wala siyang support sa kabilang side. Ang tendency nito is parang nakahang siya, no? Parang nakalutang siya pero nakamount yung dulo sa isang pader or sa isang wall. Okay? So, ang hinihingi is moment at the built end. Yung built end guys, etong part na to. Yan, yung built end natin. Yung moment daw dyan yung hinihingi. The choices are letter A, 5 kN meter, letter B, 10 kN meter, letter C, 20 kN meter, and letter D, 45 kN meter. So, una sa lahat guys, gawan muna natin siya ng tinatawag nating free body diagram. So, for our solution, so, simple lang naman yung FBD nito, no? Free body diagram. So, yung free body diagram niyan, maglalagay ka lang din naman dyan ng parang wall, no? Na pinagdudugtungan o pinagsasaksakan ng ating beam kung saan siya nakadikit. So, lagay lang natin yung beam natin dyan. So, pasensya na di pantay kasi freehand lang naman yung gagawin natin dito. Ayan yung beam natin. Tapos, syempre, yung distributed load na yan, yung distributed load na yan guys, pag kinompute mo yan, automatically magiging concentrated yan sa pinakagitna ng 3 meters. So automatically, magiging force F yan. So wala namang binanggit guys na ibang value, no? Wala namang binanggit na weight ng beam. So yung gagamitin lang natin dyan is yung force F na manggagaling doon sa makukuha natin sa distributed load. So ito yung point A natin. So automatically, since sa kalahati yan nag-occur, meron yang 1.5 na distansya dito. 1.5 meters. Okay, so yung kalahati, 1.5 na yun. Yung mula dito hanggang dito. So, the next thing to do is kunin natin yung force F na yon. So, para sa force F, syempre, base times height kapag distributed load. So, base times height. Yung base natin is yung 3 meters. Yung height natin is yung 10 kN over meter. Cancel out yung meter, matira is yung kilonewton. So, F is equal to 30 kilonewton. Next thing to do is kunin na natin yung moment, no? At point A. Since we have already yung force natin, i-multiply lang natin yung force natin guys sa perpendicular distance niya. So, 30 kilonewtons. So, multiplied by 1.5 meters. So, yan pala guys ay galing dito sa equation na F times D. Okay? So, as we solve for the moment, so summation of moment at point A, so this will be 45 kilonewton meters. So, this will be your final answer. And, if you're asking about the magiging rotation niya, so, since positive moment yan, automatically, yung rotation yan is clockwise. So, yan ay positive moment. Okay? So, ganun yung nagiging assumption kapag clockwise positive moment siya. So, yung answer natin guys is nandyan sa ating letter D. Okay? So, nawa pinatutunan kayo sa ating tutorial na tinalakay ngayong oras na ito, which is about distributed load computation. So, we are asked to find the value of moment. So, nakuha naman natin siya using the force coming from the distributed load and multiply by its perpendicular distance. So again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless us all.